lost the train. What do I have for you today? And I got just some deja vu from that. Well, I have a little bag here. So I have bought some Hornby trains. You might see something over there. Ooh, what's that? It's Tom's tank, of course. Well, I'm gonna clean this all up, I guess. Bit messy. I was looking at my Pokemon cards as well. Where did I? Oh, I don't know where I put that. I was looking at this set. You know, I made a YouTube short about it. Got Thomas here. Bro, he runs, but really badly. I need to put a new motor in here. One of these Thomases should have like a really good motor. Maybe, I don't know. One of these have a good motor, right? I don't know how the footage is gonna go because my footage got corrupted. No, wait. My phone died. Yes, my phone died, so I had to charge it. So whilst I was doing that, so I cleaned my table and set up a little track here. Well, it's not little, it's pretty big. Yeah, so let's get into it. So this is, though, I got Hornby James, the rarest item I have for today. So yeah, and it comes with the box as well. So we're gonna open him up later. Ooh, who's number 3 and green? It's Henry. Got Henry. A Hornby Henry. So that is the price tag I got for this engine. Not cheap at all. This one didn't come with a price tag, unfortunately. And you know, there's all those letters and stuff. Leaflets, you know, for stuff. I got a Hornby bill. A little bill there. Of course, that's the price tag. Only James doesn't have a price tag. Don't know why though. So anyway, wait, hang on a minute. Aha, so I got a railway book as well. So it's very nice to have. And hang on a minute, like open it up. That's the date, and the copyright of this book is 2021. So it's pretty recent, this one, unfortunately. Yeah, £7.99. This was pretty good. Yeah, it has a bunch of stories. I believe the Queen is one of them. Yeah, there's Down the Mine. Yeah. Where's the? Yeah, there's the Queen. Yeah, there's more than 3 stories in here, I've written. Pretty sure. Anyway, moving on. Let's get to the cool stuff, shall we? So, we're going to have a look at a bill first. I'm very lucky I got all of these in the boxes as well. If I don't break the boxes. Has Bill been opened before? What the hell? I would think so. Did I buy an unopened engine? Yeah, I don't think so though. Oh no. Alright, let's get Bill out. 3+, what? There's no way this is for 3-year-olds. Right, come on, Bill. Bill, come on, Bill. Come on, there we go. Got Bill. Yeah, a leaflet thing. Alright, ooh. Is this original paper with it as well? Let's take, come on, Bill. I want to have a look at your, oh, look at your face. Whoa. You are now free, Bill. Let's take that off though. Ooh. Alright. Let's put you on track, shall we? Pretty nice as well. Pretty heavy as well, so yeah. There we go. Let's switch it on. Of course, you have to be safe around here. And yeah, let's go. Oh. Oh. He's going. He's going. Pretty rough though. Let's speed him up. Damn. That's pretty cool. And let's take you to stop that. And let's go backwards, Bill. And go forwards. Slow down. And yep, to a stop. Alright, that's pretty good, Bill. You're a good runner. Ah, yeah. Oh, I'll just put you down to the side here. Yeah, I'll just put you there. Alright, on to the next engine. We're going to take James last, and let's get into Henry, shall we? I've been waiting for this model for so long. 3+ as well. Are these all 3+s? Yeah. I don't know what Hornby's doing, but this is not for 3-year-olds. Come on, Henry. Come on, Henry. Yes, this way. Here we go. Come on. Come on, Henry. There we go. I'm gonna break these boxes in a minute. Oh, Henry's free. Yeah, I got some of these card things, you know. Yeah, I'll put these all back in the boxes later. Oh, let's have a look at Henry's tender. If I can get it out. Henry! Come on, man! Damn. There, come on! There we go, there we go. Let's take the packaging off. Ooh, pretty heavy as well. Of course, it's a tender engine. Yeah. It's very green though. Now let's put that to the side and let's get Henry. Henry! Henry, you're free! Come on, Henry! Come on! Oh, you're free! You're free! Oh! You're free, and see you down there. Just put that gently to the side. Oh. Wow. Hey, Henry. Can't believe I am holding one of these Oh, I do not trust myself with holding one of these. But I have to for this video. Right. Oh, yeah. Right. It's this way. Right. Careful. I have to do this one-handed now. Make sure all wheels are... Ooh. Ooh, Henry's a free runner? Oh, look at that. Is Henry supposed to do that? I don't know. Let's just gently put his tender on. I hope Henry is supposed to do that. If not, I'm gonna cry. Oh, camera. I don't know if the camera can see that, but I believe Henry's tender's now attached. There we go. There's Henry. Whoa, Henry, how are you? Alright, start you up, shall we? Nothing. Ooh. I'm getting something. Oh, there we go! Oh, no. Is it the tracks? Might be. There's something wrong with that Henry. There is something wrong with that Henry. Come on, Henry. Please, don't be a bad runner. It might just be the track as well. Speed you up a little bit. Yeah, let's go max. You're not really going that fast, Henry. Oh well. Doesn't really matter. Slow it down. Just so you won't fly off the tracks, alright, Henry? Look at you. Beautiful thing. Alright. Let's put you to a stop. Oh. What? There we go. Nice and gentle. Now, Henry. Very nice model. I don't like a fact on how it was a bit slow to start. But let's switch it. Oh, don't seem to be working. Again. Oop. I just okay. Anyway, Henry's moving. I might just speed the tracks is the problem. These are some very old tracks, so yeah. Oh no, look at that, it's Henry's buttocks! Whoa. Henry's buttocks. Max speed, let's go Henry! There we go. Henry's out of the bag. Well, not really, it's out of the box. Right, so let's gently take you out. Put you down there. Let's get into James! Right, let's move you over here. Let's see. Come on. Oh, there we go. Yep. Move. Ah, there we go. And then, ooh, what's this? I'll just put that back. Right, move that to the side. Oh, it's James. James the Red Engine. Let's go. Oh. It's the same problem. These damn things. Oh wait, is that what the whole? Oh, right. James. If I drop James here, there goes everything. All my life savings are on this right now. Oh, it's James. Let's go. Oh, he's also like a free runner. Is that natural? Please, someone, please, whoever's watching this video, comment down below if you're a Hornby fan, if it's supposed to move by itself. Wait, did Bill did it? Move box. Does Bill do it? No, he's stuck in place. Oh yeah, and when his rods are loose, I'll put that back later. But alright, let's get James on the track, shall we? Nice and gentle. Let's put these. I believe these are called driving wheels, and these are called. I don't know. I don't know what those are. You can tell me in the comments later. Oh, wrong way. Right? Yep. Yeah. Right. No, James. Let's put you back. I don't like that fact. Because my other Hornby models does not do this, so I'm a bit concerned. Right. Ooh, oh yeah, right, the camera. I can't forget about camera. Alright. Let's just... Oh, James is off. James is off with a great start. A bit noisy though. Speed James up a bit, yeah. Slow you down a little bit. Oh, right, yeah, oh. These tracks aren't very good, I need some new ones. Maybe I have, like, one curve, like, slightly smaller than the others. Probably. Oh, that's what happened, right. Oh, yeah. Came off the tracks a little bit. Right though, yeah. You're right, James. Dad. That's a be right? That's strange. Alright, James. Don't take you back. That's how I feared. This thing costs a lot of money, James. You cost a lot of money for me. And if you don't work, I can't do anything about it. Yeah, just screw it. Just take the whole thing. Yeah. Alright. Something's wrong. Something's truly wrong there. Wheels. So, probably on tracks. Let's go again. Right, yep. Great start. Let's try going backwards, shall we? Is it off the track? Yeah, it does look like it. Right, yeah, number to the camera. It sounds like it's off the track still. Strange. Anyway. I don't like that sound. I don't know if it's picking up on the camera or not. There goes James. James's buttocks. Right. Oop. Right, there you go. There's James. So, I won't be seeing these for a while. I'm going to put them with the rest of the boxes. Yeah, there's boxes everywhere. There's just boxes and boxes of just Thomas items. that book will be going over there, you know. You can see the pile of books past the DVDs. And, yeah. Galore Thomas items. I need to stop selling some of these. So, I guess, like and subscribe. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. And maybe I'll make some videos with these 3 engines and some of my other Hornby Thomas items. So, like and subscribe if you want to see more of this. Bye bye.